Hey, how you doing? Well, here we are. Welcome to Unboxing with Marty. In this video, what we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and install a document scanner app onto this Raspberry Pi 500. Raspberry Pi 500 is running the Raspberry Pi OS Bookworm. Something that you may need is a scanning app so you can scan documents. So let's get started. So let's go ahead, open up your web browser. You're going to want to go to the URL you'll see here in a moment. I have it bookmarked, and there's a reason I bookmarked it, and I recommend you to bookmark the web page yourself because during the installation process you may want to return to this page, and you'll see why later on. So let's get started. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to follow the instructions on to install Simple Scan on Raspberry Pi. We're going to go ahead and click on the install button, and really all that's going to do is bring the page down a little bit where you can read on how to enable snaps on Raspberry Pi and install Simple Scan. Very simple. Let's just cut to the chase here. Enable snapped. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but on a Raspberry Pi running the latest version of Raspbian, Snap can be installed directly from the command line. So all we were going to do, you know what? Let's do this. We're going to have to open up the terminal. And let's just slide this a little bit to the side so we can see it. We're going to slide this to the side here. There you go. You got that. So again, let's go ahead. Like I said, they make it really easy here. So I'm just going to copy this text. And I'm going to place it here. Edit, paste, and I'm going to hit the Enter key using the terminal app. So hit Enter. And we're going to hit Yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. Give it a few moments and it'll finish this step. And this is nice. You get a little status bar there. So you know we're almost finished with this step. Okay. So let's go back. Let's take a look. What's the next step? Well, it says here you will also need to reboot your device. Well, let's go ahead and just use their instructions here. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and paste the text in there. Hit the Enter key. And we're going to reboot. And we're back. We've rebooted the device. So let's continue our steps. And this, if you recall earlier, I mentioned to bookmark the page, and this is why. So let's go here. I'm going to go back to my web browser. Let's let it load. Here you go. And fortunately, it brings us back to where we left off, which is nice. But if it hadn't, we had it bookmarked so we could return to this page. So let's take the next step. After this, install the snap in order to get the latest snapped. So we're going to, again, let's open up our terminal. We'll slide this over so we can see them both a little bit better. Let's copy this. Edit. I'm going to paste. Hit the Enter key. And again, let's just let it finish its work. By the way, now might be a great time. If you enjoy this video and the videos on this channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. When you subscribe to this channel, you're helping this channel grow, and I do appreciate it. And likes are always good. All right, we got a ways to go. Here we go. Now the next step will take a while. We're going to install Simple Scan. To install Simple Scan, simply use the following command. And I pasted the command in, and I'm going to hit the Enter key. And away we go. Like I said, this could take a while, so I may pause the recording of the video. Maybe I'll fast forward it. We'll find out. It just depends on how long it really takes. Okay, it looks like we're done. So let's have a look here. Don't see it yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and reboot the device, so let's see what happens there. All right, let's see what we've got here. Let's go up here, go down to graphics. There you have, we have document scanner right there. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's going to search for some scanners. So let's give it a moment. You know what, I'm going to go with a different scanner. I'm going to go with this one. And I'm going to change it because I do use all pages from a feeder, so I'm going to go with that. And let's hit the scan button. I can hear the scanner spinning right now, and it's rolling the sheet through, so we'll have a scanned document in just a moment. Shouldn't take that long. Kind of exciting. I'm going to have a document scanner with this Raspberry Pi 500. Just makes it more usable on a day-to-day basis, and I like that. So here we go. Let's see what comes up. There you go. Looks pretty good, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up a little bit. We're going to bring this up a bit here. We're going to slide this a little bit up. We're going to widen this out a little bit. There you go. Looks pretty good to me, and I'm going to hit here, click here. I'm just going to go with the scan document, save. All right, we're going to bring this down. Let's go here, and we saved it in documents. Here we go. Let's take a look. Oh yes, look at that. Looks pretty good to me. So yep, success. Now I'll have a document scanner, simple scan for the Raspberry Pi 500. So let's just close this out. Super, we've successfully installed Simple Scan to the Raspberry Pi 500. So that's really cool, but there may be a time when you will want to remove it. So let's do this. Let's take a look at it. I'm just going to go ahead and close this out. I do have the terminal here opened up, but here's what I want you to look at first. Go down to your graphics, and of course, there you can see the icon right there. But we want to remove Simple Scan, and so you'll want to enter this in the terminal. So enter sudo snap remove simple-scan, just the way it is here. Hit your enter key. And it's gone. So now we've successfully removed Simple Scan. If you want to reinstall it, use this command and then hit enter. Should be all set. Let's take a look. And there we are. We're back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So we've successfully installed Simple Scan on, like I said, the Raspberry Pi 500 running Raspberry OS Bookworm. I hope you enjoyed this video and the videos on this channel. If you do enjoy this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, click on that like button. Likes are always good too. And thank you for watching.